The 2020 Shelby GT350 is equipped with one of the most powerful brake systems ever applied on a production Mustang. The brake system was co-developed with Brembo, the renowned high-performance brake system manufacturer and leading supplier to Formula One race teams. The GT350's pedal feel, deceleration qualities, and overall stopping power deliver confidence and agility anywhere on the track or on the street. The front rotors are 15.5 inches in diameter and 1.4 inches thick, and the rear rotors are sized 15 inches by 1 inch. The front rotors have directional vanes instead of standard rotor vents. The vanes direct airflow through and away from the rotor much more efficiently, enabling more optimized and effective cooling in the process. The front brakes also get high volumes of cooling air through the massive ducts in the front fascia. Both the front and rear rotors are a two-piece design with an aluminum hat. The lightweight aluminum hat design brings strength while reducing unsprung mass. The surrounding iron rotor is fastened to the hat with pins, a design that brings not only a high-strength connection, but also effectively limits heat transfer into the wheel hub and bearing. 6-piston monoblock front calipers from Brembo are fixed bridge for better weight efficiency and radial mounted for additional stiffness. And the front pad surface area is an expansive 20.9 square inches. The rear rotors are clamped with 4-piston Brembo calipers and accommodate an integrated parking brake that removes any parking brake functions from the calipers. This arrangement eliminates any and all compromises from the caliper's design while improving parking brake performance and lever feel. So in the case of the 2020 Mustang Shelby GT350, bigger, more powerful brakes means better at the limit performance, be it on the street, the track, and every twist, corner, or straightaways end.